Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for the goodies. Y'all already know my paper towels, 140 sheets, $1.25. I love my strong and soft 4 rolls, 2 ply, $1.25. I picked up two. Also, Reynolds wrap. Telling y'all, get your hands on these. These come really in handy. You don't no fuss, no muss, no roll problems, no issues. All pre-cut, 25, and in a pinch. Now the holiday season is just around the corner. They really are a deal for $1.25. Now, I will say, I hope that they're not really doing this because I picked them up regardless because it is cheaper in comparison to other brands and other big box stores. But come on, what is going on, Dollar Tree? Double A batteries now are not 6, they're 4? For double A, sometimes they vary. I'm hoping that this is just because this is the circumstance, but if this is what's gonna happen, I don't know. I might have to try other discount shops because for $1.25, I don't know. Y'all tell me. Do y'all think that I should continue? Cause I don't know. I mean, we went from 8 to 6 to now 4, but I still picked up a pair because I needed double A batteries for my LED skull lights. Now, I don't necessarily think I will be using the cute little skulls. I wanted the white light, and I've been looking for them, and they've been so scarce this season, this Halloween season. I found more of the orange and the purple, but I don't know what's happened with the white. So I saw it, I grabbed it. Snag them. Also, another hot commodity are these really nice high-end jars with the silver top. They look so nice and pretty. You can put cotton balls, you can put Q-tips. I'm not sure if necessarily I might put coffee grounds in here, but it's such a tight, really nice seal, and they go quickly. I'm thankful I even snagged one. By the time I turned around in the cash register, there were like 2 left, and from like a bunch that was only like about 6. So they go really quickly. If you see it, snag it. Another hot commodity at the Dollar Tree are these containers. They go so quickly. I think because they're really pretty and they have this really nice tight snap seal and it has this nice little handle as well. I've bought the other ones that I think are a little more denser, square like, and these are more like rectangular shape, and they come in an assortment of colors, as you can see, baby pink and like a teal, baby teal. So I picked up 2 of these, and they also go quick, so if you do see them, snag them. Now I will say for Halloween I've had to get creative this year because their supply for Halloween costumes have been really limited. I think it's my branch. I don't know. Perhaps it's just the costumes don't sell as often, so we're not getting much of a variety. Believe it or not, they're already starting to explore Christmas items, which is cool. I don't mind. But it's like, come on, we still have to go through Halloween. I'm sorry, but you just do. It's sacrilegious not to do that. So I thought I could do 2 inventive things with these really pretty ties. They're barrettes actually for babies, I think, but you can be creative with them. And so I picked up one in this nice bottle green, which I love, and this dark black one. Now, the reason why I say, this can go nicely as like a nice costume tie. That's what I'm thinking. Because in comparison, in other years, I've been able to actually pick up a cute little bow tie. This is what, I'm thankful I've held on to these things throughout the years. I bought this maybe 3-4 years ago, and they really haven't brought them back. And so I don't know why. You can get so creative, and yeah, I know it's necessary. It's targeted for children, but come on. Sometimes in a pinch as an adult, you don't want to spend $60 on a costume, and you can get so creative. So if anyone's listening, if anyone cares, the New York City branch in Manhattan, please bring a few more variety. Then we shouldn't have to get creative. Like, bring some actual like costumes. We miss our Halloween costumes. At least I do. Speaking of getting creative, I will say that I did love these nails. Haven't necessarily worn them just yet, but they went quickly, y'all. After I put maybe showcase them for a split second, I went back and there were like little to none. I found these last two and I grabbed them just in case, just to keep some in stock. And I forgot to mention with my last review, it's by B Color metallic fashion nails, and as you can see, like the back is like nice and gilded, really pretty, really stands out, very chic, and I think it would complement any Halloween costume perfectly. So when you see them, like I said, snag them. Also, to remove, I came across this too. A number of people, other YouTubers, have reviewed this and they've really recommended them. So again, nail polish holder, I will let you guys know. It's by Sassy and Chic. It also comes in teal and I believe gray, and I picked up a nice cute pink. So if you see them, snag it. I will definitely keep you posted if it is worth the $1.25. Also, my Good Sense, my trash bags, which I love, and they've gone back up. They've gone from 6 back to 8, thankfully, and they do have a nice lavender scent. Also, the ravioli, yes, $1.25, just in case in a pinch for lunchtime. Yeah, you know, you can't go wrong. Picked up 2 cans. Also, I love their wafers. They have in chocolate and strawberry. Baudaku. Forgive me, y'all. You know, with me and names are not great friends. But this is sugar-free and vanilla flavored, so I will give this a try. I've tried the other ones as pure sugar, but these are sugar-free. And perfect for movie watching. Now that Hocus Pocus 2 is coming back, I had to pick up my popcorn movie butter by Oots. And although it says $2.25, they don't necessarily charge me $2.25. I don't know if it's just me, but nonetheless, it is great for movie viewing. And lastly, I picked up some tulle in a nice pretty blue teal. I'm going to give this a try also because I have to be creative for Halloween. So I will keep you posted on how this turns out. And that is it, y'all. If you like what you see, give us a like. Leave us a comment down below. If you'd like to see more of my videos, please hit the subscription button and notification button so you can be alerted of my next haul, DIY, and review. I just checked out a number of new shows on Netflix, so please stay tuned. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, Nerdy Girl.